Are you a computer? Okay, how much you want? Okay. Here, for you. I sent it to you.
Huh? Who needs some money?
I do. Hey, are you a
He's
computer?
lying to you.
What the fuck? Why do you have the bartender's number?
No, it's not even like that.
Okay, just making sure. No.
Yo, put that gun up.
Bro, he asking the same question.
On Cash App.
Cash out.
No.
I take tips.
Strictly on
Back
cash.
again.
Where you live at? Put your grass for free. I think you a bot. My mama said you a robot computer.
Hey. Hey, you gonna laugh with your damn. You get on my nerves, man.
I'm trying to raise awareness for my lawnmower cutting
Drop your
business. I have
drop your
one dollar.
tag and run into the circle. Damn.
I'm trying to raise the awareness for
Damn.
dumb computer robots that think they're human.
Keep
It's
doing
getting
it.
smacked.
Can I have a dog on Cash App? Yes or no? Come here. Come here. I need to talk to you. Come here. Broke piece of crap. I want to add you. Come here. Where are you?
The body don't stop till I walk in. Don't stop.
Hold on. Walk up here so I can add you.
I don't think
See?
it started yet because the
Oh, you
person who
added
opened
me.
that
I got.
Yo, what the heck?
You don't even know my Cash App, cuz.
Corner.
Hey, chill
He
out. Chill out.
brokey as fuck. He spent all his money on that outfit.
Oh, for real? That's how
Oh,
you
my
feel?
bad.
K
My bad.
K
My
older
bad.
than bro.
My bad.
That's how you feel?
I
Oh,
feel like you
that was
taking
alright.
me serious. You keep giggling. Why you keep giggling?
Man.
Are you making fun of my business?
Yo, you see that dude beside you, Garcia? Trying to get it on with you, man.
Come here. I can't hear you. Come here. I'm a businessman, unlike you and your fake suit. That's not nice. Cancer.
In
Oh,
real life? Out there working for me, gang. Hell no. I got her up
Yep.
under this hat, right?
Why the fuck I gotta drop it, huh?
What you
You drop
mean?
it then. You
All
drop
right,
it.
Angel.
he has
Orange.
hair. Are you dumb?
What you mean? What?
You telling me to drop that orange
Come
tag?
here. I can't
Pookie,
hear
you
you. Come
orange.
here.
Because I know you.
God dang! I feel like you're a robot though. God dang!
Weird ass
Mike,
nigga. Shut
hey,
the fuck
Mike.
up.
Say things to you.
What you want, Mar? Looking at my car for no reason, bro.
No, you ain't no robot. Hey, come here. Come here. God dang. Come here so I can hear you better. Robot don't like you. God either, dumb.